Hello guys, Kasper from Toddle here. Today I want to talk about a new feature in Toddle. It's our export as a web component feature, and it's quite handy actually. So whenever you have a sort of a basic website and want to enhance that website with a small dynamic feature, being a weather widget or a component displaying the stocks or whatever, this is your way to go. So in Toddle you are able to actually create a component and then export it and embed it in your tool of choice, and that goes for any tool. All you have to do is has to be able to reach basic HTML. So let's have a look at one of these components. This is a sort of a default component in Toddle. It's a banner displaying an offer end time. In this particular case, right here I have a text attribute and I have a time attribute. That will come in handy later when I export this component. Yeah, and let's try and do that. I'll just click the button down here, this small globe with an arrow on it. I'll click it, and I get this dialog for exporting my component. Right here I can change the text in the component. I made this attribute, or I can change the end date, you might say. Let's go for August 16th in this particular case. That's all I have to do. I'll just click the copy code down here next to the embed code label. I click it here, it's copied, and I can go to my tool of choice. In this particular case, it's called Typedream, and it's a quite nice tool for sort of creating fast landing pages, you might say. Yeah, all I have to do is type /embed, click the embed icon here, go up here, click the code tab, and just paste in my code from Toddle. There we go. I'll click the insert code, and my Toddle web component is in my Typedream page. I can just resize it here. There we go. It works. The seconds are counting down to my sort of set end date. I can go into the previous setting here, and I can see that my component works on my page as intended. And even the breakpoints, yeah, they're working perfectly fine. So yeah, that's a nice new feature in Toddle, export as web components. We are going to create more of these videos sort of highlighting how to use this nice new feature with other tools. So stay tuned. See you guys. Bye bye.